The WelCut WC-500 DM bandsaw. Machine comes with a cutting capacity of 500mm round, 470m square. This manual operation machine features a hydraulics, downfeed system and manual material clamping. It has carbide tip and bearing blade guides with an auto cut stop limit switch. It ensures both safety and efficiency. It is powered by a 3 HP, 1440 RPM motor with a heavy-duty gearbox, along with a 0.25 HP coolant motor for blade cooling. The WelCut WC-500 DM, truly the engineer's choice in bandsaw machines.